Welcome back to Road Ready Reviews. This is the 2025 Volkswagen Super Beetle, a nostalgic tribute to the original icon, now reimagined for the modern world. Its charming curves and futuristic detailing create a visual harmony that instantly captures hearts. Starting from the lower left, the rounded fenders flow seamlessly into the body, preserving the original Beetle silhouette. As we move upward, the sleek LED headlights shine with a modern glow, framed by a subtle chrome accent that nods to its heritage. The front grille is minimal yet expressive, ensuring airflow while maintaining a clean, retro look. Moving further to the right, the front bumper blends vintage design with modern function, housing integrated sensors and aero elements. Now, as we pan down to the lower right, the sculpted front lip enhances stability while giving the car a sportier posture. Finally, returning to the left, each detail is carefully crafted to balance old-school charm with new-age precision. A machine that speaks to the soul, designed for those who admire simplicity, style, and spirit. As we shift to the rear, the Super Beetle's timeless character continues, wrapped in a sleek, rounded finish that feels both familiar and fresh. The oval LED taillights echo the past while embracing innovation. Moving toward the center, the Volkswagen emblem sits proudly above a subtle rear spoiler, blending form and function. The dual exhaust outlets add a sporty edge, hinting at the performance within. Panning to the right, the gently flared fenders give it a wider, more confident stance. Now, back down to the lower left, the bumper features integrated reflectors and a diffuser-style finish, completing the modern retro balance. This isn't just a car, it's a continuation of a legend. Stepping inside, the 2025 Super Beetle welcomes you into a cabin that's both inviting and intelligently designed. The seats are wrapped in sustainable leatherette with contrast stitching, offering a premium yet environmentally conscious feel. The dashboard flows in a clean horizontal layout, blending digital displays with analog touches. The infotainment screen floats gracefully at the center, offering wireless connectivity and voice control. Moving to the lower right, brushed aluminum pedals and a leather-wrapped gear selector give a sporty touch. Coming back to the left, ambient lighting subtly illuminates the interior, making every drive a calm, immersive experience. Every inch inside is thoughtfully built to honor tradition while embracing the future. From the side, the Super Beetle's unmistakable silhouette remains iconic. Its dome-shaped roof, compact proportions, and short overhangs maintain the spirit of the original. Moving upward, the flush door handles and blacked-out trim elements add a modern twist. As we pan across, the expressive wheel arches house retro-styled alloy wheels wrapped in performance tires. Shifting downward, the sculpted side skirts improve airflow and enhance stability. Finally, coming back to the left, the body-colored mirrors and clean character lines emphasize the Beetle's timeless profile. A beloved classic, reborn with a progressive mindset. Under the hood, the 2025 Super Beetle brings surprising performance wrapped in its charming shell. Powered by a turbocharged 2.0L hybrid engine, it delivers over 250 horsepower with impressive torque. Moving up, the digital cluster displays efficiency, range, and power output in real time. Across the center, multiple drive modes, eco, comfort, and sport, allow you to tailor your ride. Shifting to the right, the adaptive suspension and regenerative braking system offer dynamic control and eco-conscious driving. Bringing it back, the engineering ensures a smooth, responsive ride whether you're cruising through city streets or carving coastal roads. Intelligent performance paired with a timeless personality. Now, let's talk about why the Super Beetle is a smart choice for today's drivers. The 2025 Super Beetle starts at an estimated $33,000. With premium trims reaching up to $42,000. Moving up, Volkswagen offers a 4-year, 50,000-mile warranty, ensuring peace of mind. Across the center, maintenance is minimal thanks to the efficient hybrid system. Panning further to the right, the blend of classic appeal and modern technology makes it irresistible for both collectors and first-time buyers. Finally, coming back to the left, this is your chance to drive a reinvented icon that respects its roots and redefines its future. If you're ready to relive history while driving tomorrow, visit your nearest Volkswagen showroom and reserve your 2025 Super Beetle today. Enjoyed this review? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert car insights here on Road Ready Reviews.